Hey guys, this is Benjamin, and today I wanted to show you my very first package from Shoepassion.com. I'm really into Goodyear welted shoes these days. I really appreciate good shoes now a lot more than when I was younger. So let's get right into it. What a harsh way to open a shoebox. Huh. Alright, so the real shoebox is inside. And there is a black envelope that is a little bit stuck to the box. Let's see what's in here. Alright, that's basically my invoice, a coupon, and something about the company. So basically I got the number 5423 6.5. 6.5 is my UK shoe size, and well, basically it's a black double monk that I got on sale. So let's see, 2.99 euros. I know, not cheap for shoes, but hey, it's good shoes, hopefully. So this is the box. Let's open it up. The Berlin shoe brand. Okay, of course, it's this little thing, and then we have two totes. Oh, there's something going on in here. It says in German, basically, men's shoes, passion something. And then here we go, super excited. The tension is killing me. Tum tum tum. All right. They feel fantastic in my hands. All right, let's get the other one out. Let's get rid of that stuff. Okay, so first impression, I mean, they feel fantastic. The leather feels great. Let's open this one up. Alright, so inside we can see it's more of a very bright orange, made in Spain, which I like. It's a UK 6.5, EU 41 or US 7.5. I'll have a look how they fit later. Yeah, but I mean, they are beautiful. I mean, $2.99, which is anything else but cheap, but I do have the feeling they're worth it. Let's see. Again, the other one, stitching. I do like that these double monks have this broguing in the front, like a cap toe with broguing. I don't know, is this a quarter brogue? I'm not sure. And then we have this Shoepassion insole. All right, and then I'm gonna show you how they look on me. All right, so I put on my new shoes And this is how they look like with jeans. Of course I like them with jeans because Double Monks are not as formal as other shoes. And they're quite nice. I guess the black is not as deep black as I thought it would be. So it almost goes into a super dark kind of gray. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you ever ordered from Shoepassion.com? What is your experience with them? And yeah, let me know. This is it. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon.